So my name is Ali and I wanna be a teacher. Many of people said that how can you deliver your speech in front of many experienced people who are elder than you, who are more experienced than you. So I have a quote which motivates me a lot. That is, you are never young to teach, or you are never old to learn. So if I wanna if I wanna introduce that, what is confidence? In my point of view, confidence is the feather of a bird. If a bird has a feather, so they can fly high and high up the sky. And if we have a little bit of knowledge, but we have a confidence to deliver on perfect way, so it should be appreciated. Or if we have a lot of knowledge but we doesn't have confidence to deliver in front of people, so it shouldn't be appreciated. What is difference between successful people or non-successful people? There are many differences between successful people and non-successful people. Like the successful people has a goal, a clear path, or many different. But in my point of view, the most great and most important difference between the successful and the non-successful people is the tie. The successful people has started early, so they got the succeed, and we start later, so we can say after year, after 10 years, we will get success and we will be at a better position. So Qasim Ali Shah said, one of the best motivational speaker in Pakistan, as all you know, that he said the quote, he said many quotes, but I remember the one of the best quote. He said that if anybody doesn't have a vehicle, but everybody must have a vehicle. If anybody doesn't have a car, doesn't matter. If anybody doesn't have a bike, doesn't matter. But everybody must have a vehicle, which is confidence. If we have confidence, so we can go anywhere, we can deliver our speech anywhere, we can pass any way, any path. One of the best examples of confidence is Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison succeeded after 100 tries, after 100 failure. He faced failure 1,000 times, and he said that he believed on himself that I can do and I will do. This is the confidence that he succeed. I remember one quote that is, if you want to purchase something without looking their price tag, so you have to work hard without looking at a clock. There are many things compulsory in life. The success is a little bit thing, but there is more struggle, more difficulties, and more sacrifice. But success is a little bit thing, but success can be a sweet, because we tried, we sacrificed, we struggle for the success. And the poet said that don't wait for your success, enjoy your journey. Knowledge is the key of success. It is the most famous quote, as you all know, but I never ever agree with this quote. That is, knowledge is the key of success. I think, in my point of view, something is missing in this quote. Knowledge is the key of success. The knowledge is not a key of success. Implementation or execution of knowledge is the key of success. So we have to action, then the reaction will come. So I am very thankful to all of you to having me here and listen to me. I am very grateful to having me here.